Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload XLS files in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open an existing design you're working on, or if you're starting fresh, click Create a Design to make a new one. This will take you to your Canva workspace where you can begin adding elements to your project. Once you're in your design workspace, you're ready to upload your Excel file. Now, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation panel. From here, click on the Uploads option. This section is where all your personally uploaded files live, including images, videos, and importantly for this tutorial, spreadsheet files like Excel documents. This is your central hub for bringing external files into Canva. Next, you'll see a button that says Upload Files near the top of the Uploads panel. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open your computer's file picker, allowing you to browse through your folders and locate the specific file you need. It's a straightforward way to connect your local files with your Canva workspace. In the file picker that appears, navigate to where your Excel file is stored on your computer. Look for files with the .xls or .xlsx extension, as these are the formats Canva recognizes for Excel documents. Once you've found the file you want to use, select it and then click the Open button. This tells Canva to begin importing your spreadsheet data. After clicking Open, you'll need to wait a moment while Canva processes and uploads your Excel file. The upload time will depend on the size of your file and your internet connection speed, so give it a few seconds to complete. You'll know it's finished when the Excel file appears in your Uploads list on the left panel. This confirms that Canva has successfully received and stored your file. Now comes the fun part. Simply click on your uploaded Excel file from the Uploads list, and Canva will automatically add it to your design canvas. The spreadsheet data will appear as a formatted table that you can resize, move around, and style to fit your design needs. This makes it incredibly easy to incorporate data visualizations into your presentations or social media graphics. If you need to make changes to the actual data within the table, double-click on the table element on your canvas. This activates edit mode, allowing you to click into individual cells and modify the values directly. Once you've made your edits, simply click outside the cell or table area to apply the changes and exit edit mode. This feature is perfect for making quick adjustments without having to re-upload an entirely new file. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded and inserted an Excel file into your Canva design, making your data work beautifully alongside your visual elements. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.